Okay guys, today I got something that I've been trying to get for a while, and let me show you what it is. But I have been trying to get it, and I finally found one at my local hobby store, and it is the Defiler. So this has been something I've been wanting to add to my Thousand Sons army for quite some time and haven't been able to, so now I actually have one to build. So we have the instruction manual, a decal sheet, and we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 sprues of things. Let's see, there's just some broken off stuff there. So let's take a look at these sprues here real quick. Huh, even have it here. So this looks like some extra things that go on top. A couple guns there. The guy that would go inside, it looks like. These look like launchers. So this looks like some of the standard stuff that you see on a Rhino or Land Raider. Some of these weapons here. Now this is where we start to get to the unique stuff. We have our legs right there. And then we have some slashing arms or weapons here. Probably melee weapons, I would imagine. Some larger guns. This looks like it could be a cannon of sorts. Different horned heads right there, which are kind of... Oh, I like that one. And then here we have what looks like maybe the bottom, the undercarriage, maybe the top. This probably the top. Yeah, I would think this is the top. Some more leg pieces here. So it looks like it should be quite a fun build, actually, and even a fun paint job. So obviously older instructions, it looks like. Looks like these instructions have been around for a while. In fact, it looks like they've been copied, like the edges are sort of kind of weird there. So it shows the sprue, where the pieces are located, how the pieces go together. Same thing here. It shows that some glue joints you don't put any glue on. I guess it has a ball link, which is what it looks like. So it looks like these legs might be movable, I guess. Maybe you plant them at the end there when you get it down. Here's the larger gun that goes in the center. It looks like this is not sure if that's a gun or if that's a guy that goes on top. Not sure exactly. Oh, it looks like a guy, yeah. So here are some more guns, and these must all be add-ons. Looks like I may need to think about magnetizing, maybe. Not sure. And then here it's talking about what parts of the sprues you do not use here. And it has some options on this page. So yeah, this looks like this could be a really, really fun build. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm obviously going to go to my Thousand Sons book and see what weapons I want to put on there, which ones I think will do the best. If I'm not going to do it magnetized, if I'm going to do it magnetized, it won't matter, but I'll only know that once I get everything pieced up. So I'm going to be starting this in a very quick order. I'm actually going to be starting this. This is the next thing on my bench to continue. I just finished up a paint job on these Marines. I don't know how close you can. Let's see if I can zoom in here. Just share with you a little something here. But I saw this particular color scheme from one of the major painting companies, and I really liked it, so I thought I'd duplicate it, or at least try to. And I'm nowhere near the quality of what they had, but I do like the color combinations. So all of my Terminators now are going to be this color. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hopefully you'll be around for the next video. Take care.